Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I was really contemplating whether or not to make this vlog, but I feel like I will because, guys, I've been so slack with structured videos. I'm just like super pregnant. So I thought I would vlog, and I haven't vlogged in a while, but let me just like fill you in with what I've done this morning. So I actually made up my birth essential oils, and I did like 4 different types of roller oils. So I did lavender and frankincense, clary sage, geranium, and peppermint. So that's really fun. Also guys, yesterday we did a photo shoot. So we did a studio photo shoot, and then we packed down the, guys, I'm so out of breath. Then we packed down the studio and started setting up for our birth space. So I think I will show you that soon. But I have a package, so I think I will unbox that with you guys. And I don't know what it is. It's something from our registry. So we're gonna find out what it is together, which will be cute. All right, so my sisters organized this, and that's because they couldn't make it to my baby shower because I live interstate. We have little summer onesies, which are very practical. Oh, cute. Little rainbows. I love the suns. They're really, really cute. So nice. Oh, Luca's gonna love this. Little palm tree onesies. Oh, these are super practical too. Some bibs. I actually haven't gotten many bibs, so that's pretty good. Oh, and some face washes. Super cute. We don't know if we're having a girl or a boy, but I like the tones of these anyway. And yeah, they're just for cleaning butts, so it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. But I love the orange. That's so cute. Also guys, I've been so stressed out the last few hours and last night, and oh my god. Oh, I feel like when it rains it pours. And the last few weeks I've been really using all of my energy to meal plan and meal prep and just prepare for baby. And when I say like I have no energy, guys, I legit have no energy. Like, this is the least active I feel like I've been in my adult life. Normally I'm so driven to like do stuff and get things done, but I just feel like this pregnancy has been so hard. But anyway, I've just really been pushing myself to do some meal preps and freezer prep and just organize that because I want to set us up for a good postpartum. And then yesterday I opened the freezer and it was leaking water, and all of our food was defrosting, and I thought I would take a few things out because maybe I had blocked the vents up with all the freezer prep that I've done. Our freezer has never been so full. So I took the like some of the things out that we honestly didn't need, and then was hoping that it would correct itself. But our fridge and our freezer are now completely broken. So much food has gone to waste. I'm just like, it's like the worst timing to be breaking, because it's not only like the fridge is broken, it's the energy that I put into like making these meals. And like our doula has made us meals that are really good for postpartum and like pure organic ingredients. And I'm just like so sad that all these things have been wasted. So I'm a little upset today, I'm not gonna lie guys, and I just laid in bed for half the day because I just could not function and I didn't want to open the fridge or the freezer Also guys, I ate a pizza from the fridge, so I heated it up, but hopefully I don't get food poisoning. I just like, it was a vegetarian one, so hopefully it's okay, but oh my god. Now I'm thinking I probably shouldn't have done that, but I've just hit a brick wall, guys. Alright, I've just been spending the last like 2 hours organizing some website stuff, and now I'm going to go and pick up Theodore, but today I'm running so late because I slept in. Just a little update with the fridge. I just emptied all of it, and we have to chuck out 3 bags of food, which is not ideal. We are. It's completely just not working. I still have to empty a little bit more, but I think I can save these ones. That's Vegemite in there. But yeah, super broken. No coldness whatsoever. Alright guys, I had a nap today, so I've got a little bit of energy, so I think I might wipe down these cupboards.
It's safe. Yeah, that's good, Mom.
Can I borrow your stool? So I can reach the top of the cupboard?
I like that on it.
Alright guys, our new fridge has arrived, and this is like a surprise because Luca ended up picking it out with his mum, because I was looking after Theo and didn't feel like going. But they sent me photos and it's really nice. It's a black fridge and it has a water cooler here, so nice little upgrade. It is also a bottom mount, which is cool because the fridge is on top, so it's like the opposite of what we used to have. So this is the fridge, the water cooler. I popped some water in, and the delivery guy said to pop this in so you can feel the temperature change. I still have to take off all of the like bubble wrap stuff, but it's really cool because you can actually switch sides as well. So it also has this side and then on this side, and then of course we have the freezer, which is awesome. So pretty stoked about that, but I think I might go ahead and finish taking off the like all the plastic type of stuff. Guys, I just discovered that the fridge is actually damaged, and let me show you guys because this is stressing me out. But look guys, it's cracked. It's fully cracked. So I'm gonna have to contact them, which is so annoying. Alright guys, it is the next day and I thought I would update you guys on the fridge because I was having an existential crisis and I just like stopped filming completely. So basically I had messaged Luca and updated him with what was going on, and we ended up taking a trip where we purchased the fridge from, and we explained to them that the fridge was faulty and the shelf mounting is broken, and took lots of pictures, and they were so rude, guys. They basically just said, we will send someone out in 3 weeks time to have an inspection, and then if they feel like it is the manufacturing's fault, then they will replace it. But we basically said, we're due for a baby any moment now. We need to get this sorted. We can't just be relying on a broken fridge. And yeah, it was just like super stressful, and I can't even deal. Anyway, so basically after we explained to them that that is unacceptable and it should be covered under warranty, they are going to send someone out tomorrow and replace it. So they're bringing the new fridge and they're taking this one, exactly the same fridge, just a non-broken one. Also, guys, I ended up discovering yesterday that the delivery drivers who took this fridge, who dropped this fridge off and brought our fridge, that makes no sense. The delivery drivers who dropped the new fridge off and took the old fridge ended up damaging our floors. So we live in a rental and we have lino floors, and there is like a 3-meter scratch on the floor. So we had to address that yesterday too, because yeah, our real estate's not going to be happy about that. So we just basically explained what happened, and they said that the delivery people will be in contact, but it just seems to be like drama after drama, and I'm so pregnant, I cannot even deal with this. I'm trying not to stress about it because there's literally nothing I can do. I've done everything in my power to try and make this a smooth process, but it is what it is. Anyway, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one and give you a new fridge update when we get it. So yeah, bye guys.